Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman at 704-997-2168. Let's look at a Harris 2021 250 Cruiser. This 2021 Harris 250 Cruiser is in the blue with the silver accent. Has the gray flooring on it. It's powered by a Mercury 4-stroke 150. Does have the patented 4-step ladder. Goes down in the water very deep. It's also angled. Has the safety rail and chain on the back. It has the single lounge seat. Plenty of cup holders. Has the rear gate. Dual captain chairs with recliners. New dash for 2021. Has the gauges offset to the right. Has a little place for your cell phone charging ports. Fusion stereo system. Large bench seats in the front. Plenty of room in the back with the side entry door as well. Let's see how wide the side gate is. This will conclude the walkthrough of the 2021 250 Cruiser by Harris. Come by MarineMax Lake Norman and see me. I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168.